Cleaning your pond can feel like an endless chore, right? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Pool Mister Handheld Spa Vacuum. The Pool Mister Handheld Spa Hot Tub Vacuum, priced at $69.99, honestly, what caught my attention was its cordless design and powerful suction of 20W. If you want a reliable option to quickly clean your small pool or hot tub, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This vacuum runs for up to 90 minutes on a single charge, making it perfect for fully cleaning your space without interruptions. The powerful suction of 12 gallons per minute means it quickly tackles debris like twigs, leaves, and dirt, so you can enjoy a clean pond without the hassle. Plus, the dual brush heads let you switch between cleaning the floor and hard-to-reach corners effortlessly. It's lightweight and designed to work in temperatures from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great if you have varying conditions in your outdoor space. Now, some people complained about the learning curve for assembly. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the convenience far outweighs the initial setup time. This is perfect for you if you have a small pond or spa and want something easy to use. However, if you need something for larger pools, you might want to skip this one. Now, if the handheld design of the Pool Mister bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. UPet Tools Aquarium Gravel Cleaner. The UPet Tools Aquarium Gravel Cleaner, which is a steal at $35.99. I was genuinely surprised by its 6-in-1 functionality. It's not just a vacuum. This product solves your cleaning woes by integrating water changing, sand washing, and debris removal all in one. With a powerful 28W motor, it delivers a flow rate of 1,700 liters per hour. This means you can drain a large aquarium in about 30 minutes, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your pond. Plus, the adjustable telescopic tube makes it adaptable for different depths, ensuring you can get to every nook and cranny. It's designed not to disturb beneficial bacteria while effectively cleaning, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy pond ecosystem. This matters because a clean environment promotes better fish health and plant growth. But I'll be real with you, some users noted that it can be a bit noisy. Now, that might be a deal breaker for some, especially if you enjoy the tranquility of your outdoor space. However, for the price and versatility, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you have multiple aquariums or ponds and want an efficient cleaner. If you're looking for something quiet and more suited for peace, maybe skip this one. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want higher performance. Product number 3. Aquafish 3-in-1 Rechargeable Pool and Spa Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $69.98. I didn't expect such a powerful design with magnetic drive technology. This vacuum shines with its ability to clean in shallow water thanks to its new spa cleaning head that works in just 0.6 feet of water. That's a game changer if you have a hot tub or small pool. The improved DC brush motor provides a flow rate of 12 gallons per minute, which means you can quickly tackle messes without losing suction power. Plus, it runs for up to 90 minutes on a single charge, so you can get through your cleaning with ease. It also comes with extra accessories like filter socks to catch smaller debris. This is important because finer cleaning translates to a healthier pond environment. However, some reviews pointed out that it may accidentally turn on when not in water. Now, while that's a concern, as long as you're careful during storage, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a vacuum that can easily handle varying water levels and debris types. Skip this one if you're looking for something more robust for larger pools. Now, if the potential for accidental activation bothered you, this next product might really simplify things for you. Product number 4. YSMJ Cordless Rechargeable Pool Vacuum. The YSMJ Cordless Rechargeable Pool Vacuum, retailing for $68.99. The lightweight cordless design really caught my eye. This vacuum offers a completely cordless experience, allowing you to navigate easily across your pool without the hassle of tangled cords. It features a strong motor with roller bristles that can clean everything from small leaves to pollen, which is essential for maintaining a clean pond. With a runtime of 90 minutes on a full charge, it's ideal for getting the job done efficiently. The vacuum's portability means you won't struggle with cumbersome hoses and tubes. You just pick it up and go. But I did find that some users mentioned the suction power could be better on larger debris. Here's the thing, while larger items might require a bit more effort, for routine cleaning, this is still a solid option. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller pond that needs regular maintenance. If you expect to clean up large twigs or heavy debris, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, if the YSMJ's suction power isn't enough for you, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5. InnoCraft Pool Vacuum. We have the InnoCraft Pool Vacuum, priced at $109.99. Honestly, its powerful suction capabilities really impressed me. This cordless vacuum is designed for above-ground and in-ground pools, making it a versatile choice. The unique water flow design offers visible suction so you can see exactly what you're cleaning. That's crucial as it minimizes the guesswork and ensures a thorough clean every time. It also tackles heavy debris like leaves and sand without clogging, which is vital for maintaining the health of your pond. It runs for about 60 minutes per charge and has a handy filter full indicator, keeping you informed on when to clean the filter. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit bulkier than expected. Now, while that's true, the efficiency and effectiveness of the suction make it worth a try. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive coverage of your pond without having to make multiple passes. Skip this one if you prefer a more lightweight option. With that, let's wrap this up. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the InnoCraft because it tackles heavy debris effectively, which is essential for maintaining pond health. The one to avoid would be the YSMJ if you're dealing with larger debris regularly, as it may not meet your needs. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.